Whoa, Hack the Box just dropped something huge. And finally, it's made for beginners.
Let's go!
About time, right? Because let's be real. CPTS and CBBH? Yeah, they're awesome, but they're tough.
So here it is, Hack the Box Certified Junior Cybersecurity Associate, or CJCA for short. It's a brand new beginner-friendly certification path built to take you from zero to job ready. No fluff, no boring theory dumps, just real hands-on skills that actually matter. If you ever thought, I want to get into cybersecurity but I have no idea where to start, same here. And honestly, I'm a bit biased because I really wish I had found Hack the Box back when I first made the shift into cyber. Whether you see yourself on the red team breaking into systems to test defenses, or on the blue team defending networks and tracking down threats, the CJCA path has both sides covered. Its modules are structured, hands-on and truly beginner friendly. I've already gone through some of them myself, and I have to say they don't just spoon feed you answers. You'll be challenged to research, think creatively and actually solve problems like you would in the real world. This path is perfect for aspiring cyber analysts, career switchers, recent grads, IT admins, or even just the curious folks out there. You don't need to be a genius, you don't need experience, you just need that drive to learn. Red team is fun and flashy, but blue team is a great way in. Learning defense builds your foundation, and from there you can pivot into pen testing or any path you want. That's how I started. And according to a post in Reddit, blue teamers often make some of the best pen testers. So yeah, if you've been waiting for the right entry point into cybersecurity, this is it. The newly launched CJCA certification is fresh. You can go through the entire role path for free, and if you're not into an annual subscription, just grab the certificate later. No pressure, just progress.
Thank you for your time, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. It really helps the channel grow.